Changing your username on Monster 2025 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username successfully. Step 1. Log in. Access your Monster 2025 account by entering your current username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open your account management options. Step 3. Select username change. In the account settings menu, look for the option that allows you to change your username. This may be labeled as change username or something similar. Step 4. Enter new username. Type in your desired new username in the provided field. Make sure it meets any specified requirements such as character limits or restrictions on special characters. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, click the Save or Confirm button to apply the changes. You may need to verify your identity through email or other means before the change takes effect. After completing these steps, your username will be updated. Remember to log out and log back in to see the changes reflected in your account.